Vancouver's International Airport has temporarily suspended all arriving flights, with the snow leading to plenty of flight cancellations and delays overnight. It's been a hectic 24 hours at the airport. This is a look at just one of the lineups. The airport says the numerous delays and cancellations have led to congestion on the airfield, with multiple aircrafts holding at gates. It says it is working with its partners to get passengers out of the plane safely and get them their luggage. Monday was YVR's busiest day of the year so far, with about 70,000 passengers making their way through the airport. But for many, it was a stressful experience.
How long have you been waiting then? Is that 12 hours?
12 hours.
More than 12 hours? Then.
Yes.
You were probably here before the Central Conference.
Yes, of course.
I think originally it was supposed to be at 7 a.m. today. Now it's about past 8, But who knows? Honestly, it might get canceled, right? 12 hours, it's not so bad.
We want to go home for Christmas.
Yeah.
See the family.
We're on a deadline here.
Yeah, we're on a deadline. And it's just looking more unlikely as time goes on.
YVR is encouraging passengers to check with their airline for the status of their flight. And if it's been canceled, they're asked to avoid the airport.
Down from any of the WestJet canceled flights. Right now, we are currently working on getting your bags to the carousel. So please stand by. Unfortunately, due to the weather and the amount of people working outside, it is going to take a while for those bags to come to the carousel. If you haven't been rebooked, please either call customer service or go upstairs to the check-in counter. They will let you know what flights you will be booked on.
It is very cold right now, and I'll try and make a snowball with my glove. No way.
And that truck is trying not to be jackknifed, but it's not getting up the hill. It's gonna have to chain up.
Good luck, everyone. You are going to need it. It is going to be an absolute nightmare.